Dili, ano siya nga, zombie ko, zombie.
What's up, people?
And next stop, mapit na. Pag-asawa na, pasagdanan.
Patog ka ba? Good morning, vlog. Today is Sunday, 5:42 a.m. And nanapon may gig sa Talakag, Bonsetas, Fun Rides. Og wala ko'y gasolina, empty na. Since sige naman magbalik-balik sa Talakag, Bonsetas, og basi masuman na mo nga ako na pong i-post kay pro na pud kanta na mo nga balik-balik nga way hinungdan ta mo pay karat kog tingog. This vlog today, I'll dedicate this to the girl beside me right now. What's your name?
Ella. I love eggs.
But after eating, nasa breakfast.
So this one.
After nasa breakfast. Ha? Breakfast ka.
This is mine and I love.
Alright. That will be your gift. That will be your gift for her, huh? Friend mo ni Arya.
This is egg.
And the other one.
Sophia.
Or,
This is the number. What's inside here?
Surprise!
Yeah, my birthday is coming now.
Your birthday is coming? Takal na. Mommy's River pagaling. River. Then mommy.
Justin Bieber. Na last time pag-go ko sa pag-ingon ka man na Justin Bieber.
Who's Justin Bieber?
Ako, kuya.
River, mala River John.
Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Hindi ko haba. I'm so scared. So scared na Halloween.
Dan naman ang Halloween.
Wala pag-aban. Wala.
Dan na.
Wala ka.
Why are you scared of Halloween?
No, there's some monsters.
Don't be scared of monsters.
Saka,
Just
Okay.
punch them.
look at your Nina.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Who's your boyfriend?
Daddy, Kuya, River, and Tito Alvin, and Tito Cocker, and Tito Marvin, and Tito Don.
Mini boyfriend eh ka? Dapat one boyfriend lang.
No, the daddy lang.
Love ni mo daddy?
Yeah.
Why you? What?
And ride the train.
You're here?
Yeah.
What do you want to ride?
Baby Shark.
Baby shark.
The bridge is shaking, and then I'm so scared. Train!
Oh yeah, sure. Ali, mag-eat chata then let's ride the train. Happy birthday, Okabel!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Okabel! Sa'yo nakabutang, sa'yo nakabutang.
nakatuig dili late birthday.
Happy 18.
Goodies!
Yan na, girl!
Hala, naibat. Ella train?
Yeah.
Ella train?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Strip me off and lose me. I don't care, no, I don't care. Strip me off and you me. It's not fair, it's not fair. I'm not being known someone else, and the body that's come straight up from hell. Try to build out the thoughts that goes my way, 'cause I try to do that the other day.
Daddy, you stay here.
What's that? A small slide.
For the baby.
Are you a baby?
No.
Today.
Yo, G, what up? Who's this pretty blonde chick taking bomb rips? Park Ave, catching a cab the next morning. We partied hard last night, I'm fucking exhausted. Headed back to my hood, I'm feeling nauseous. She said someone broke her heart, and now she's cautious. She thinks the fact that I'm a broke rapper is awesome. Tennis lessons, I wonder what those Lacoste did. So shout out to all the Rachels and Lawrence, mine players in the wintertime. 3 courses for dinner time, VIP, Patron and lime.
Ay pa, zombie ka na ni.
Oh, zombie.
Zombie ka. Annabelle.
Dili. Ano siya nga? Zombie ko. Zombie mangko.
Baby. Nice kayo ano? Hindi ko ba siya. Hindi ka ako sa bato. Rapid, go! Red one.
Sa bulat sa ito na nasunog. Wag kailangan ang pagkila. Kayo'y kagamatin ko na nandiyan ang tanan. Itsuraan mo upang wala naman. Kundi sa ganahan.
Ikaw bang yung bandihan? Kung ako, hindi na ko kayo ipaylo. Kung ba kung away ka, hatun ko ang tanan. DJ Sakit paminawon ang iyong Christmas songs karon. Iyong ganahan
dyan ang tinood ng mga sino.